This winter's epidemic of respiratory viruses impacted nearly 40% of U.S. households, with someone there getting sick with the flu, COVID-19, or respiratory syncytial virus. The flu and RSV hit much harder and earlier this year than in years past, as viruses kept at bay during the pandemic height began infecting people again following the resumption of everyday activities. According to a new survey from Kaiser Family Foundation, the overlap between influenza, RSV, and a cold weather surge in coronavirus infections led to concerns of a so-called tripledemic. The flu affected 27% of households over the past month or so, with 15% saying someone in their homes got sick with COVID-19. RSV infected someone in about 10% of homes, the survey found.